Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Metatrader 5 on your PC. So to get started, let's open a browser. Here search for Metatrader 5 and click on this link. It will navigate you to this interface. Here tap on download for Windows, and after it downloaded successfully, click on folder icon as shown here. And now you can see setup file is downloaded. Tap on it. Now this window will open. Here click on next button. Now click on finish button. Now your Metatrader 5 app will open. So this is how you can download Metatrader 5 app on your PC. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.